2016 Ford F-150 Lariat 3.5 EcoBoost. It has the long bed. The Carfax report shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You can view the auto check report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. It has a towing capacity up to 12,200 pounds, and the bed has been lined, so keep it nice and clean so you can haul all your belongings. There are the rims and the tread on the tires. Let's go inside now. The interior is black leather. There are no rips, tears, or stains anywhere. And you have the upgraded Husky rubber floor mats. Makes it easy cleanup after your many adventures. And then that back window does open. And you have the panoramic sunroof. I'll open it up when we go up front. The passenger seat is also a power seat. Here you go. And you get to seat 6. And here are your sunroof controls. And we'll open this up. And help you feel nice and open. Be able to see beautiful skies. This display screen is where your backup camera is. And I'm going to go ahead and show you. You can change the view of it. Let's see. See, if you're hooking up a trailer, you have the view of the hitch as well. There are no caution or warning lights on. These are your menu controls. There's your cruise control, audio controls for the stereo, and pair your phone. Keep your hands nice and free to stay safe while driving. You have the adjustable brake pedal. You have seat memory as well as power lock, power windows, and power mirrors. And it is the push button start. There's your audio controls. You have the dual climate control as well as heated and vented seats. There's your USB ports, 12-volt port, and another 12-volt port as well as an outlet. If you are looking for a 4-wheel drive vehicle, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this F-150 out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through us and you will drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!